morning, dear students. In today's computer class, again I'm going to show you that how you can download MSW logo in your computer system. Okay, as I shared a video yesterday, so you can take help of that video. And today also, again I'm showing you how you can download MSW logo. So just type free download MSW logo in Google and search it. You should click on the link softonic.com. So this is the first link. Just see the site name clearly, softonic.com. Okay, don't click on any other link and click on this. When you will click here, so a new window will appear. There you all can see download MSW logo for PC. So click on this free download for PC. As you will click here, so downloading will be started, as you all can see. Okay, the download doesn't click here. Okay, so I'm clicking on this option and downloading has been started. You all can see here in this progress bar. Because of the network connection is taking some time, but the downloading has been started. So just wait for a while. It will resume again. Okay, so downloading is completed now. So now I want to check where the logo file is downloaded. So click here and choose downloads option, show in folder. Okay, so here this is the exe file of logo. Just double click on it and click yes. Okay, now logo is installing in my system. See, click on finish. Okay, so after completing this process, you can check have logo installed or not. Click on this all programs button. Okay, and just find Microsoft logo, Microsoft Windows logo. Okay, I'm just searching for that option. You can also see this icon on the desktop. If this icon is not visible, then click on start and all apps, and again I'm searching Microsoft logo, Microsoft Windows logo. Here it is. Okay, so click on this button and click on Microsoft Windows logo option. As you will click here, so two messages will appear. Click on OK only. This is the logo window. Okay, it is divided into two parts. Okay, the logo window is divided into two parts. The upper part is called this one. It is called the main screen. Okay, what this part is called? It is called the main screen. Okay, and this part, just below that, you all can see here commander is also written here. This window is called the commander window. What it is called? It is called the commander window. Okay, so these are two parts of logos window. Okay, now in this main screen we can see the output of our instructions, and instructions we give in this commander window. Okay, so we use commander window for writing instructions and executing instructions. There are many buttons here, so we use these all buttons for different purposes. Like for executing the instructions, we use this execute button. Okay, and after clicking on this execute button, you can see the output on this screen. And this small triangle you can see, it's a very important part of logo. It is called the turtle. Okay, it follows the instructions, means whatever instructions you write in commander window, so this turtle follows your instructions and shows you output. So what it is called? It's called the turtle. Okay, this triangle, it is called the turtle. Okay, and you can see it's a triangle shape actually, and the upper part, the cone part of this turtle is called the head, and this bottom part of the turtle is called the tail. Okay, so that upper part, it is called the head, and this lower part, it's called the tail. Okay, so I hope now it's clear to you that how you can download logo and what are basic terms in logo. You need to understand that about this main screen, main window, commander window, turtle, and turtle's head and turtle's tail. Okay, in the next class I will show you that how you can start writing instructions. Okay, so that's all for today. See you all in the next class. Take care of yourselves. Bye.